Hey there, welcome. Now we'll keep the same picture, but turn it into a cropped, cut-out version. We'll delete these things first, then we'll go to Insert and add the picture. We're going to take this Egyptian pharaonic picture and turn it into a heart shape like an icon. We're going to double-click the picture until the Format tab shows up. Then we'll go to this section, look at the shapes, and you'll find the heart shape there. This is the heart shape, and there are a lot of other shapes too, squares, triangles, and so on. This one looks like a little icon, and yeah, you can save it on your device as an icon. When we save this picture, you'll notice it's basically an icon, like the sides are completely cut out. You can use it as an icon in your program or on your computer. Now we'll delete the picture and add it from the device so we can see it as an icon. You'll notice the picture is now really an icon. See, it's completely cut out on the right and left. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.